What could be more exciting than a remote control truck? The answer is nothing. Nothing could be more exciting. So let's have a look inside our remote control truck box. Let's hope it comes with the truck, because it was ridiculously cheap. I haven't even opened this yet. It's just arrived in the post, but I was all excited, so I thought I'd video it. Looks like a truck to me. That's quite smart, isn't it? Look at that. Here we go. There it is. Box empty now. That is amazing. It seems to come with stuff that I've got to stick on it, and I think that's what it tells me to do, which I have absolutely no idea what that's telling me. And yeah, it's got little extra little parts and stickers in there, so I'm going to have a look at those in a minute. And there's my little truck. Bloody smart. And there is the steering device. I'm assuming this needs batteries. It looks like it needs batteries. So yeah, probably 2 batteries to go in there. And this, does this need batteries as well? No, this seems to be rechargeable. Alright, okay, that's cool. That seems to be USB rechargeable. It's got a battery pack in there. It's just fallen out. Okay, cool, but there it is there. So that must be what runs it. So, alright, wait a minute. Right, so you plug that into, right, okay. So that there, that plugs into there. I think. Must do. Plugs into there. Like that. That now must have power. Oh, it does. The lights have come on and they're flashing. Right, cool. So that's now got power. This needs batteries, and we'll have a look inside this little bag and see what additional parts come with it. I think it's missing stuff like windscreen wipers and random bits and pieces like that. Let's have a look. I may need some scissors, so I'll go get some scissors. I'll be back. I've got some smaller scissors, so I'm less likely to hurt myself. I also did run with them. Let's open this bag up. Right, yeah, so our little bag here has got some, I don't know what they are. I think that goes on the back window. Seems to come with a small screwdriver, a USB cable, which I'm assuming that's for the battery. Some appear to be little stickers, and another little sheet of stickers. I don't know if I'll put them on or not, I'll have a look. And I have no idea what that is. And I also have no idea what that is. It's a little thing. Just need to say what it is, or where that goes. Maybe that goes underneath. And oh yes, there we go. All important windscreen wipers, look at them. So we'll get all these bits fitted, and then we can get to remote control trucking it. Let's get some batteries, see what it does. 2 AA batteries we need. Let's go and get some AA batteries. Put that in there, put that in there, and then I don't know why that needs a screw in it, but there you go, it's got one, so put it back in. Seems like it's going to hold anyway. So. Right, in we go. We're ready to rock. Sort of. Let's see if it switches on. It does. It's got power. It's flashing. Right, wicked. On with that. On with that. The light's now steady, so that must mean it's working. Oh, it does. Listen to that. Oh, Jesus. Oops, hit the camera. It's not very forgiving, is it? Right, I don't know what the L and the R does on here, so I need to look into that, and I don't know what that does either. What does that do? No idea. What did it fall off the table? Right, cool. Let's go and try this on the floor. Fell over. Unbelievable. Let's pick it back up again. That's fallen over. Oh, the wing mirror's broke. This is ridiculous. Right, so don't be so vicious with the controls, I think is the lesson here. Oops. Easy to fall over. But anyway, so somehow I need to learn how to drift this. Apparently it's supposed to drift, but I don't believe it does. It seems to hit everything. And fall over. Look at that. Drifts better on its side, metal. There we go. Ah, terrible. You see the cat's face at the end of the hall. Look at it. Look at the cat. Oops, keep it in the camera. Oops. The next thing to do with your drift truck is try and build a little ramp. So we're going to use this Honda inlet manifold cover and some cardboard. I'm going to build a little ramp to jump it over, because obviously you want to jump your little truck, don't you? Right, so a little ramp built. It's about this high, which is about the same height as the truck is. So let's go and get the truck. Right, let's have a test run up to it and see if it's going to work, because it might just shift that. Well, it looks like it might work. We're going for it then. Let's go for it. Stunt truck. Take one. Oh yeah! Might need a bigger ramp. And some new skirting boards. Yes! So now do we need a bigger jump? We do. So we're going to build a slightly bigger ramp. We have cat food box, bigger. Piece of cardboard. That's our, I don't know what you'd call that, pre-ramp into the ramp. Let's do another quick one up, because this is bigger than the truck is. Get the line up. That should work. That should work at speed. Right, cool. Let's go. Take one. So there we go, remote control truck. It kind of drifts, does donuts, and you can jump it off things that are about the same height as it. And as long as you're going fast enough, it'll land. You could build a better ramp for it. Looks alright. That's cool. Apparently you can buy things for these, like with different wheels. You can buy all sorts of them, but I'm not sure how you change the wheels. Obviously you can. Must be that little nut there. Zoom out, there you go. I quite like those wheels, they're cool. What it needs, it's got, it even has suspension. Oh my god, that's amazing. What it needs is though, it needs stuff in the back of there. That's what it needs. Like little parcels, or possibly, I don't know, yeah, probably little parcels. I haven't got any, but that would have been cool. So there you go. Remote control drift truck thing. It's alright really, ain't bad, quite enjoyed it. I'll put a link up to them on eBay if you want one. Doesn't come with batteries, but it's 2 AA batteries. The rest of it has, as you've seen, USB chargeable power pack. Sweet. Could give it a nice paint job, couldn't I?